Welcome to TSI Summer Orientation 2020. Today I'm going to talk to you about TSI, your academic path, and registering for your TSI math course. So what is TSI? TSI stands for Texas Success Initiative, and it's a state law that requires students attending a public college or university in Texas to prove that they are ready for college-level courses in reading, writing, and math. There are a few different ways to show that a student is ready for college-level courses or TSI complete. The main way is by taking the TSI assessment and achieving the minimum score requirement in 3 sections. In the reading section, if you get a score of 351, you'll be complete. In writing, if you get a multiple choice score of 340 and an essay of 4, or an essay score of 5 and above, you'll be complete in writing. And for math, if you achieve a score of 350, you will be complete in math. So you may be asking yourself, why am I here? Well, you're here because you're not TSI complete, because we either A, have not received proof of an exemption in one or multiple areas of your TSI, or B, your TSI scores did not meet the minimum requirements. There are a few different TSI plans for students of varying levels of TSI. In your case, in the fall, you will be taking a track that begins with Math 340. This was decided by your TSI test scores or previous developmental math credit. Becoming TSI Met is something that happens over multiple semesters, as demonstrated by the graphic here. In order to advance your TSI progress in the fall, you need to score at least a C or higher in Math 340. Doing so will allow you to take a college-level math course alongside a tutorial lab in the following spring. In that course, you will need at least a D in the college-level math and a P, or pass, in the tutorial lab. Tutorial labs are graded on a pass-no-pass basis. After you complete that, you will be recognized as TSI complete. There are some important things to note about Math 340. This is a developmental course, which means that it does not fulfill your degree requirements, only your TSI requirements. What this means is that the 4 hours will not go to your required 120 for your degree. It's also important to note that while it does not go to degree requirements, it does go towards full-time status. So for instance, if you have a scholarship that requires you to be enrolled for at least 12 hours, these 4 hours will contribute to that requirement. Math 340 does not impact your GPA, but you still need a C or higher to move on to the next course. UNT's online course management system is called Canvas, and you'll use it a lot throughout your college career, not just during orientation. There is a mobile app that I recommend that you download as well. Once we've passed the 12th day of classes, an email will be sent to you with a course invitation to join the TSI Integrated Math page. You must accept the course invitation to get the page added to your Canvas homepage. This page will have very useful announcements and information that will be very helpful to you as a TSI student. Make sure not to confuse it with your actual Math 340 page where you must submit assignments to the instructor. TSI holds are very important. Failure to remove certain holds, like your TSI hold, can prevent you from registering for classes. A TSI hold will reappear on your account every semester until you complete your TSI requirements. The TSI coordinators will request mid-semester grades from your professor before registration opens to see your progress in the course. An email will be sent to you regarding your progress in the course and future registration requirements if needed. All communication will be through your UNT email, so check this regularly. Students receiving a D or lower in Math 340 at mid-semester will be required to re-enroll in Math 340 for the following semester. This is not a guarantee that you have to retake the course, but is used as a precaution to reserve a seat in that course in case you're unable to complete Math 340 in the fall. If you do complete the course successfully, the TSI coordinators will help you adjust your spring schedule to fit your new math course. Students receiving a C or higher will be emailed their spring semester registration instructions to proceed to their next required math. TSI advising is not required beyond this session for orientation. However, we are available if you would like to meet with us. If you would like to schedule an appointment with a TSI advisor, you can use Appointment Manager. The website for Appointment Manager is appointment.unt.edu. Or you can come in during walk-in times, which will be announced on the Canvas page. So you may be wondering, what are my options? If you're fine with this education plan and know Math 340 is the right course for you, you will follow the guidelines listed in the Math 340 registration guide page in this Canvas module. However, if you would like to go a different route, you can retake the math portion of the TSI assessment and try to meet the minimum requirement, which is 350, to be TSI complete in math, or test into your college level math. If you choose to do this, make sure you email your updated scores to tsi@unt.edu. Also, if you choose to retest, you still must consent to enroll in your TSI required course, Math 340, to register for any other courses during orientation. Your schedule can always be changed after retesting. So a quick review. Your TSI placement is based on your TSI scores and your degree requirements. You must check your UNT email and the Canvas pages regularly. You will have a TSI hold on your account every semester until you are TSI complete. If you retake the TSI assessment at any time, or if you change your major, you must contact the TSI office, tsi@unt.edu. So what now? Make sure to complete the quiz on the quizzes section of the TSI Orientation Advising Canvas page. Upon completion of the quiz, your TSI hold will be removed. TSI hold must be removed before registering for classes during orientation. You may register for any section of Math 340. If you have any issues registering for the courses, please contact us at tsi@unt.edu.